Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the GATE 2016 online virtual calculator. So let me just open the virtual calculator. Here we have the link, and this is the virtual calculator that we are going to be using. So let's talk about it. Here you see on the right side we have all the numerals we have to input, and on the left side you find the basic functions that we can use. So let's go into it. This is the type pad or the click pad where you click the numbers. This is the backspace. If you click on backspace, the last digit gets deleted. So that's the backspace, and this is the division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, and this is the decimal, normal calculations. So this C will delete or clear both these things, or it will clear everything. The top bar shows what you have clicked, and the bottom bar shows your result. So you click C, the both gets deleted. This is the positive or negative button. You want a negative number, you click on any number, then click here, you got negative 5. You click again, you got positive of 5. Likewise, this is the square root. You want square root, you click on the number and click on this function. Directly it will show the result. No need of clicking equal to on this time. So this is the square root. This is the percentage, that is what percent of what, or x percent of y. Like I write 5, click 5, then click percent, then click 10, equal to 5% of 10 is 0.5. That is 5 by 100 into 10, that is 0.5. So this is the percentage, and here you have the reciprocal function. Click on the number, then click here. It will directly show the result without clicking on equal to. This is reciprocal of 4 is 0.25. So let's move here. This is the mod function. It will show the remainder of x divided by y, like 9 mod 6 equal to 3. So what does it mean? We divide 9 by 6, so we get 3 as the remainder. So the mod function gives you the remainder. So that's the mod function. Then here we have the degree and radians. You can choose which one you want in your calculations. So after this we have here the hyperbolic sine, cos and tan, inverse hyperbolic sine, cos and tan. Use this. To use this, you click the number, then you click on the function. So sine HD, hyperbolic sine in degrees. If I choose radians, then you have to first type the numeral, then on the number. Cos HR, R for the radian, H for hyperbolic. So let me clear it. Then we have pi. You can use anywhere, like sine H, or you click on the number, then you click on the function. Sine H radians in pi is this one. So this is the E 2.718. Then we have the factorial. Click on the number, click on the factorial, directly you will get the answer. No need of clicking equal to here. So that is 120. And then we have the ordinary trigonometry functions like sine, cos, tan, inverse sine, or arc sine, arc cos, or arc tan. So, and likewise you can use with degree or radians. You have to choose here, like I want sine inverse 1, then I click on 1, then click on sine inverse, that is a sine in degree 1, it will be 90 degree. So that's it about here. Then we go to here, we have the 10 to the power function. So like we need 20 e5, that is 20 into 10 to the power 5. So I write I click 20, then click on exp, then click on 5, then click equal to. So that is 20 e to the power 5. or 20 into 10 to the power 5, not e to the power. This is not the same e here, obviously. This is 10 to the power as you find in your calculators, scientific calculators. This is exp is 10 to the power, so 20 exp 5, 20 into 10 to the power 5, that is here. So these are the parentheses you can use, are the brackets. You click the first bracket, then you type in anything like 5 plus 3, then the second parenthesis into again parenthesis 5 minus 3, then click equal to, that is 16. So this is the use of parenthesis, quite simple actually. Then we have the log base 10. For using this, first type the number, like I'll click on 10, then click on log base 10. So log base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. This is the natural logarithm, that is log base e. So I click e, then ln, and log e of base e is 1 again. And this is the log x base 2, so I type 2, then click on this. So log x base 2 of 2 is 1. So it is quite simple actually. Then the part here comes is log x base y. How to use this? What is the syntax? First you have to type the x here. Suppose I want log 400 of base 20. So I first click 400, that is the x, then I click on this function log x base y, then I click on the base, which is 20. So log 400 base 20, then I click equal to, you get 2. Log 400 base 20 is 2. Then we have e to the power x. Click on the x you need, then click here, you get 10 to the power x. X to the power y, first click on x, then click on here, then click on y, then click on equal to. So 5 to the power 6, x to the power y, clear it, x cube, whatever x you need, like 3 cube, directly we got, no need of equal to here. Then again 2, this is the square, no need of equal to, as square of 2 is 4. Then yth root of x. How to calculate this? First we have to type the x. Suppose I need root of 32, fifth root of 32. So I type 32, then click on this function, then I type the root or click the root. Let me do it again. 32, click here, then 5. So fifth root of 32 is equal to 2, right? So this is the cube root, like 27, then click here, directly we got 3. This is the absolute, like we have negative, absolute. See, so this is the calculator. Now we'll just go to this part, which most of you have doubts about. So let me tell you, this is the memory clear, this is memory recall, this is memory set or memory save, whatever. This is memory add, this is memory subtract. So how to use this? What this does is this stores a number in the memory. Suppose I choose 8 or whatever you calculated, you want to store it in memory. Suppose 8, then I click on ms or memory set, then you see one m comes here, so in the memory it is there. Now you do any calculations or whatever, it will be there in the memory. Now whatever this mr, if I click on mr, we got memory recall, means it recalls whatever it is there in the memory. So, and this MC means if I click, this M just vanishes and there is nothing in the memory, 0. So again I set this as memory. Now let me tell you about the M plus and M minus. So if I got something like 6 and I want to add it in the memory, add it to the thing that is in the memory, I click 6, let me type 6, then I click on M plus. Then I again, if I do the memory recall, it will be 14. It was there 8 and I added 6, so it is 14. Again I will add, so what we will get, 20, because the result is 14 and in the memory it was 14, so I got 14 plus 14, 28. So suppose I clear this and again click 6, M plus, M plus 2 times. If I click M plus, what will happen? In the memory we have now 28. Now let me recall it. We have 40. So 2 times 6 will be added. So that is the M plus. Likewise, it is also in M minus. So we have in memory now 40. So let's click 10, M minus, M minus. So what we should get now when you recall the memory, I have subtracted 10 2 times. So 40 minus 10 minus 10, 20. So we have this is the memory functions. And lastly, you can just clear it and clear everything. So this is the short video on the calculator. Some of you might have some doubts, so I made this video. I hope it helps you, and best of luck for your exams, and thanks for watching.